Harp's Breeze Harmonica Workshops are proud to present their new interactive online program. This month-long program consists of 4 step-by-step tutorials, teaching students all over Australia how to play the world's simplest and coolest instrument, the harmonica. These 15-minute tutorials minimise time in front of screens, and the weekly homework keeps children actively engaged between lessons. Plus, they're accessible from anywhere. As the program unfolds, students develop a variety of skills which enable them to read and practice familiar melodies and explore unique sounds on a beautiful instrument. The entire program finishes with a final performance where the students put their skills into practice using their own brand new harmonica with a live recorded band. Jump on board, it's fun, it's simple, and if you can breathe, you can play.
Thanks for watching!